Hello, kia ora, welcome to Molly Makes. Today we are going to be making masquerade masks. Mila, you don't like it? Okay, now to make these masquerade masks today, you'll need some feathers, plastic rhinestones, fake flowers, a stick. This is actually just a kebab stick and I've just cut the end off it, the pointy bit, and that is 12 inches long. A mask, it's just like a bendy plastic one. I just get these off AliExpress and they are about $1 each, and you can get them in silver, gold or black. And 2 ribbons. I've got 2 different colours here. There's a light purple and one that's medium purple, and they are both 20 inches long. You'll need some scissors and a hot glue gun. Now we're going to start off with the stick, and we're going to put some glue at the end, and we're going to just stick one of the ribbons down on an angle, and then just twirl the stick. And then we're going to put some glue on the other end to stick it down. Then we go back to the top again and we put some more glue. Put the other ribbon on, and we're going to do the same thing. Just twirl it so that it covers up the stick. You can't see the wooden bit. And then glue the end down again. Now you can cut the ribbon shorter if you like, and then just put the stick to the side. Now for the mask, we are going to glue some feathers and our flower in one corner. Now if the flower has a little bit sticking out, you need to cut that off. And then we're going to just glue some of our rhinestones. And you can glue them on here wherever you like. Then we just need to glue the stick on the back, and we're going to need to put quite a bit of glue down to get the stick to stay on there. And then you're going to have to leave it for a couple of minutes and wait for the glue to set. But once it's set, you'll be able to turn it over. Thanks for watching. Please just let me know in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see me make. Bye!